All right, in this little short video, you're going to learn how to create hyperlinks in your HTML documents. And so the first order of business when you're doing hyperlinks is you have to figure out where you want to go. So let's say I want to make a hyperlink to the FVCC website. I'm going to go to the FVCC website and make sure it works. Then I'm going to go up to my URL and I'm going to copy that URL. Then I'm going to go back to my web editor. And it's always nice to find something that you want to link to in your text. So let's say I want to take this one FVCC here and I want to make that my hyperlink. I don't want you to make any hyperlinks that say, to find out more information, click here. Instead of doing click here, I'd like you guys to find the keyword and then make that keyword the hyperlink. And that's sort of what we're used to these days. If we read news, we'll see links to other articles, but it doesn't have a whole bunch of text asking you to click around or click here. So I'm going to make FVCC my keyword. In order to make a hyperlink, I'm going to do my less than sign and an A, because the A tag does hyperlinks. But this tag has an attribute, and our attribute is href equals quotes, and then we put our website address, and then we'll put our keyword in between, and then we close it with an A tag. So now that we can see it again, I'll just go over it. So we have an A tag, so it opens and it closes after the keyword, but this A tag has an attribute which is href, which stands for hyperlink reference. And then in quotes, I put the website address I want to go to. It's really important that you remember all these steps. So you need to make sure that you have the website address complete and correct. It needs to be in quotes. You have to have the href with the equal sign. And you have to have this keyword in the middle, because that's the word that will turn blue and underlined when we go and look at our hyperlink. So now if I go back and I refresh, you can see that now I am an instructor at FVCC linked, and if I click on it, it will take me to that website. So that's how we make a hyperlink. Notice this hyperlink I made is gonna, you see where I'm at in my browser window, I have Dawn Rauscher All About Me up at the top. When I click on FVCC, it doesn't open up this link in a new tab or a new browser window. It overrides my website. Anytime you're on a website and you're linking to an external website, you want to make sure that it does not do this. You want it to open up in a new browser window. In order to do that, there's one more thing you need to do, and that's inside your hyperlink, you need to have target equals quotes underscore blank. And what that does is it'll open up that link in a brand new web browser or tab. So I'm going to refresh. Now you can see when I do that, it opens up in a new tab, and I still can go back and find my website. So this is just good practice when you're making hyperlinks that are not within your site. If they're to external sites, you always need to make sure that you do target equals quotes underscore blank end quote. And that is how to make a hyperlink. Now you guys can make hyperlinks in your assignment. This week you're going to make 3 hyperlinks. So you're going to look at your About Me page, and you are going to find 3 words in that page that could be links to external websites. And you're going to use that A tag with the website address, and you're going to make sure all of them have target underscore blank. I'm excited to see your hyperlinks next week when you turn them in.